Okay, this is my fire alarm system. I'm going to give you a quick tour before I set it off. In here are fuses, which are just old type screw fuses. This one's 30 amp, which none of these should pull out any more than 15. Only more than like one. So there's the switch. Got the power coming in. Here's my switch. Okay, this is useless right now. Here comes power coming in here. This comes into here. Fire system. Haha. Right now it's set on orange strobe, which is my Wheelock 7002T. Now it's set on the Wheelock strobes and my Wheelock speaker strobes, which are not hooked up to the speaker. The power is hooked up to the cable. The cable comes up through here, comes back into here. You can't see. This one comes over here, comes to that strobe right here, which these are quite bright actually. Junk wire coming from the connection point to this one. So, grab extension cord. Plug it in. Ow. And set it off. Make sure it's on strobe, because quite frankly, you're about yay far away from the thing. So, turn it on. Give it a second for the ball to start sparking up. But there are the speaker strobes right here and right here, as you can't tell, and they're quite bright. Here's the just straight strobe. Here's the other one. And just to show you, this one does work. Back onto the strobes. Turn it off. Do it in reverse. And what I like doing, hold on. Unplug power supply, turn out the speaker strobe, and I love doing that. It's so fun. But anyway, hey, I got a message. Alright, that is my fire alarm system setup-ish thing. It's not the greatest, but it works. It works quite well. No Kindle out.